Yes, good morning everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. So we've come to the end of the week. This is 10th of July. Let's see exactly what we expect to be happening on various. So we'll start off with a chart on our screen. Euro USD. Euro USD. This is what we're looking at. You can see 5 minutes chart. We'll move to the 1 hour chart. So yesterday you can see that the price actually went as high as this point, but somehow it came back and closed below. So we had, there's a level here. This is a possible sign that we are reversing to the lower side. We had a resistance here, there was a break, there was a retracement as a support, and then there was this big break to the lower side. So as it is now, we're actually looking for a possible scenario where the price may likely continue down up to this point. We expect price to go up to 1.12240, or if it goes below 1.12636, then that will be the best place where we expect price to continue to the left. So as it is now, expect a clear descent below 1.12636, then a pullback, so that we can continue to the lower side up to the level which we've mentioned, which is 1.12240. So that's what we expect to be happening on Euro USD. Let's see what we have on the next chart, BP USD. So I'm going to add pivot levels here. We take this as the swing low, and then you have this as the swing high. You can see this the price has pulled back up to 23.6% fib level. So this may be a possible reversal place, or if the price does not reverse from this level, it should go back to 38.2%. The maximum place it can pull back to before it continues up is 50.0. So if it breaks below 50.0, then that will mean we are continuing to the lower side. So as it is now, we are still somehow upwards, but we want price to retrace back to any of the fib levels to give us the best place to look for a trade from. As it is now, we could be still upwards. So this is a sell. USD JPY, we have a sell. You can see we had a trend line there, and then we had also a trend line from the top. So we had this as a support, there was that false break, and then there was this clear break to the last side. We want price to retrace back up to the same point so that you can pick a low risk sell position. As it is now, we are simply waiting for that pullback. We want price to pull back up to this level so that we can pick a sell position. So the next chart we look at, let's look at gold. Gold has reversed to the lower side. We were upwards previously. We had this level here. So this was just a support. There was a break below, and then there was this retracement which didn't come back to that level. As it is now, we expect a continuation to the lower side. We want price to retrace back up to this point, 1787.92. So if the price pulls back maybe up to this level, then this should be the correct place to sell from. This will be the ideal place where you want to sell from, up to 1787.92, 1786.72. So wait for that pullback, and then you pick a sell position up to this point, 1787.92. The next chart, we look at SP500. SP500 is pulling back to the lower side. We were expecting a possible continuation to the upper side, but somehow the price is currently pulling back to the lower side. So this is what we have. We have a trend line from the bottom, and then we have also another trend line from the top. Basically, we want price to get back to this level here. We want price to continue to that point, then bounce off to the upper side. This is what may likely happen. So if you're looking at this chart now, you better be expecting a buy. When the price gets to this point, look for a buy position up to the upper trend. That's what should happen. The next chart is Brent oil. So Brent oil, so far we had, this is a very good shape, like a wedge formation. We had this, then we had this. So the price, you had a support, you had a support, you had a support, you had a support. There was a big break below. As it is now, the price is still being held below a significant level, which is this one. So expect a continuation much lower. Expect price to continue to the lower side, most probably up to 41.143, or the next level should be this 3980.801. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's session. We'll meet again tomorrow on Monday at the center. So thank you. See you.